Hey everyone, today I'm going to start my challenge on integration configuration. So there's some prerequisite you need to do that. So as per Salesforce, they've been asking us to create two orgs. What is the primary and secondary org, and then you have to initialize the naming conventions as your initials and today's date, and at the rate primary org or secondary org. So you can create two orgs for this particular challenge, and you should be good with that. So since I have clicked on primary campaign, you can see at the top. So here I'm giving initials like Ankit Kumar, my name, and the date, today's date, and at the rate primary .org I'm going to give, and same I'm gonna do for secondary org. So yeah, so once I do that, I should be able to receive uh, the access of this particular orgs. So yeah, so I request you people to do that also, so that you will have some pre-configuration enabled for this particular patch. So yeah, this is I'm going to create for secondary org. I'm giving my name, and yeah, just give your name, today's date, at the rate secondary. So it will be very helpful for you to differentiate. So that's why I'm giving these two different names to it. Cool. So yeah, that's all pretty much for this part. Let's move on to the challenge one. So challenge one I'm gonna do is connected app we have to create for JWT Bearer flow. So as per that, we're gonna create one user and we're gonna create a connected app. So the guidelines, everything has been given to the challenge only. So I just quickly go ahead and create a user. So the username, everything has to be what they have given to us, so that only you have to give. Just click on the new user and write everything. So these are the steps I have written, so I will be providing into my video, which will be might helpful for you. Just copy paste. Yeah, few steps I'm gonna delete it. Yeah, so this is what you need to do. Yeah, so now what you need to do is, so if you see, I have already created, I have given a profile in Salesforce integration and Salesforce API, and then I will just try to assign a permission sets to this particular user, but I will get an error. So why I will get an error? Because the license currently which I have assigned to the user doesn't have permissions to delete the lead. So what I will do now is, I'll just go ahead to permission set license assignment. I'll click on edit. Then I will search for one of the license which is like Salesforce API integration. You just need to enable this only. No other license should be enabled for this particular challenge. So yeah, let's see on that. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, nothing else I have to enable, that's all. You should enable it. Yeah, good. So yeah, if you save now, go back to permission set, save now, you should be able to assign that permissions to this particular user. Yeah, just click at it, assign it, save it. Super, this part is also done. So this was user part. Now let's move on connected app creation part. So in this connected app creation part, we're gonna have some certs which has given to us in the blue link. You can see that mergester.cert file, you download it and just go through the guidelines what they have given us, so it will be helpful for you to understand. So what we need to create, one custom connected app and one custom scope we have to create, which is lead_delete. So let's go ahead and just quickly, and let's go and try it out what we gonna do that. Let's go, and if you see, first you need to navigate to the app manager, click new connected app. I think I didn't show you in this, but yeah, click on app manager, go to new connected app, and then give this names as it is what I have given. Check the checkbox enable OAuth settings. Make sure you are giving the redirect URL what is given in the guidelines. Super. Now make sure you are checking the checkbox use digital credential and upload the file which you have downloaded already. And scope, make sure you are making that only. Just ignore others checkbox for now and hit save. Let's go to custom scopes. Let's create a custom scope. For the testing purpose you might will see one more, but that is wrong, you can ignore. Go ahead and click on new custom scope, give the lead underscore delete what they have given in the guidelines. Yeah, lead underscore delete, correct, yes. So just give that, put it there and save it. Let's go back to connected app to change the policy. So manage connected app, you have to open here. Let's go to app manager again. Hopefully here we're gonna assign this custom scope what we have created to this connected app. Yeah, let's save this. Let's think. Okay, yeah, click on manage. Yeah, click on manage, uncheck this one, ignore the other one. Just you should have only lead underscore delete custom scope under listed under this connected app. Now we're gonna change the OAuth access policies. So let's see how we gonna do that. Okay, okay. Access policies, navigate to these all steps I have written already here, so you can just skip this part. Follow me what I'm going to do that. So yeah, review a quick action, find connected app. Yeah, so let's find out the connected app here. Click on manage connected app. Yeah, click on edit here. Yes. So we will change to this one, and then we will change to find and connected app manager under OAuth policies and permission sets admin proved I have done. And yeah, so now nothing much we need to do. We'll just for now save it and we'll just see the policies. Yeah, custom scope also listed here. We will assign the permission sets so that that particular user only access this policies. Yeah, I'm just going back and making sure I'm doing the right steps. So these are generic steps just for my reference I have kept, because I don't want to miss out anything and hit my head on challenge. So let's say for now just keep it this won't be sufficient. I feel it will throw some errors. Yeah, configure token renewal, connected app configuration allows you to okay. Under or policy set the refresh policy. Okay, so policies, I think this is will be this only, but this might will change for the challenge. Yeah, I will be okay. Verify the steps, ensure that integration user can access necessary API. Okay, this part we don't need to do it. So for now I think I'm just going ahead and checking what error it gives. Okay, we can't find except expected access token settings in the mergester app. Okay, Alright, so I'm facing some of the issues. Let's figure it out what it could be. So it's giving error that access token policies are not as expected. So I'm just going through the point. Access policies for this app only for integration user to establish. So what we are missing, guys? What we are missing? What we are missing? Anything we are missing? Anything we are missing? Okay, let's go back to this. Okay. Need to find what is the issue. Admin approve. Enforce. Maybe I'll keep relax IP restriction as of now. Okay, fine. So guys, I've just took some time and found it. So the earlier error, I'll just quickly show you why it was giving error, the access token policies. I'll just show you quickly when I navigate to app manager. So refresh policies, refresh token policies, I think here you just if you see here, one checkbox is there, right? Issues JSON web token, that was not checked. Just quickly, let me just find out the issue first. So if you see this one, the previous error which we were getting, so it was causing because of this checkbox was not checked. So make sure this is also checked for you people. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see if I check the so that is for previous error, but I'm now checking on refresh token error policies. Okay, so this is failing again. Let's move back and see what could be the reason. So I feel there's nothing in this app we need to do, but one checkbox we can try is enable refresh token rotation. Just try to check it, uncheck the other ones, and keep the refresh token flow enabled. Let's try it out whether it helps or not. Otherwise we will check in manage connected app policies. So nope, it's not helping, guys. So let's move back to scratch.org and let's see. Let's go to connected app policies, refresh token. But in connected app you need to just check these settings only, nothing much you have to check. Let's do edit. I'm just checking what they have enabled in that. But yeah, let's go to the manage connected app and see if anything we have missed here. So make sure you have IP restriction as a relax IP, and here let's see what we can do. Keep the relax IP restriction. Yeah, immediate expire token, and they have mentioned in the guidelines, so it was not checked. I've missed that. Let's see, it should work now. Super, it is done. So yeah, thanks guys. So we will make another next video. Thank you so much.